Because it had stalled.
Fucking hell!
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Stay there! Don't get out of the car!
I'm gonna get that bloke out.
Do not.
Oh.
Holy shit, man.
Potencję uznamy teorię na praktykę.
Guy stole the company, like stole the idea and brought it to Germany and the Netherlands, and that's where it started to grow in Europe. He stole the idea. It translates to Red Bull. The name of the company translates to Red Bull. I'm dead serious. In Thai, Red Bull.
Because I'm just good to see.
Woo! Jeez. Okay.
Holy shit, bro. Oh my god, bro. Whew. Good? Alright. Fuck. Alright, bro. Asshole.
PFJ 79.
I'll go and check on the dog. You ever chat to this guy, and I'll come and see you.
Noisy light, esti. Hey, on est c'est l'air, esti! C'est un problème! Man, j'ai une caméra! Tu te connais pas la police? Calme-toi! J'ai sorti. J'attendais de sortir après toi, c'est quoi ton problème? Quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? C'est quoi ton problème? T'es normal sénère, tabarnak! J'ai 2 caméras dans le truck, c'est un problème, on peut faire venir la police. Va te parquer là-bas, on va appeler la police. Là, tu bloques la circulation, c'est un ticket, ah ouais!
She let it fall away. Chapter 34.
Oh,
After they'd said a few words for those who had died, the Citadel crew told a few stories about the kind of guy John Colt had been. It seemed a terrible tragedy for the world to lose such a man, especially at a time when they needed him most. But Nate knew, no matter how bad things got, some good could always be salvaged. As Walker said in his own fumbling way, Colt had been a role model for many, and would be greatly missed. When they were done sealing most of the... Above him was a sign that simply read, "Criminal." For as long as it remained, it would serve as a monument to how evil would be dealt with from now on. The other body was Colt's, wrapped in a large American flag one of the refugees had been kind enough to offer up. Standing...
And right now, I'm, like when I serving minimum wage is $10.98 an hour. In Arkansas, it's $2.14 an hour. And like, people are stupid. Yeah, so I was like,
Got my lights on because I knew he was going to do something stupid.
yep. Yeah, so you tell your kids that they should get jobs because they live in Florida, they don't know how good it is. Some kids have jobs that are making
Manual recording will now start.
It was them. It was them.
Crowdsourced alerts is offline. Check your internet connection.